Is your trumpet buzz thin and not rich and full in sound? Well, you've come to the right video for this one. What's going on, everybody? This is Trumpet Tips with JC, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your trumpet buzz full and rich in sound. So let's get to it. I've watched a lot of trumpet players buzz on their trumpet mouthpiece, and the problem that they run into is that their mouthpiece buzz is really thin. Let me show you an example of what a thin mouthpiece buzz sounds like. So the reason why your trumpet buzz sounds very thin is because you probably have the rim of the trumpet mouthpiece sitting on the top lip, which I always say is the top lip that buzzes. So make sure when you're getting ready to put the trumpet mouthpiece on your lips, careful not to have this rim sitting on your top lip, because as a result, we barely have any of the top lip that buzzes inside of the cup of the mouthpiece, and so the buzz won't be as full as you want it to be. So make sure that you're getting both your top lip and your bottom lip inside of the cup of the mouthpiece. Let me show you an example of what a full and rich mouthpiece buzz sounds like. So hopefully you guys can hear the difference between a thin mouthpiece buzz versus a mouthpiece buzz that's full and rich in sound. And all I did was just make one subtle change, which was taking the rim off of my top lip and just taking my top lip and putting it inside of the cup of the mouthpiece. Once you get ready to play your trumpet, when you have the rim on your top lip, after a while, your trumpet sound is going to thin out. And when you try to play in the upper register, it's going to feel like you're pinching almost, because you're trying to get a full trumpet sound out. But when you have both of your lips inside of the trumpet mouthpiece, your trumpet sound will be full and rich for a longer period of time, and you won't have to worry about playing with a thin trumpet sound unless if your chops get tired. So it is very important that in your trumpet playing session that you're aware of where you're applying the mouthpiece on your lips. So make sure that both of your lips are inside of the cup of the trumpet mouthpiece. That way you can play with a full trumpet sound throughout your entire trumpet playing session. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. This is Trumpet Tips with JC, and I'll see y'all in the next video.